Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy crypto on Bitget wallet. First, ensure you have the official Bitget wallet app installed on your device. You'll need to create an account and complete the initial setup, which includes setting a strong password and backing up your recovery phrase. Next, navigate through the identity verification process, often called KYC, to unlock full trading capabilities. This usually involves providing a government-issued ID and a selfie. Once your account is verified, it's time to fund your wallet. Bitget Wallet typically supports various fiat deposit options, such as bank transfers or credit/debit card payments. Select your preferred method and link the necessary financial accounts. Be aware of any transaction fees or minimum deposit requirements, which might be, for example, $20. Always double-check the details before confirming your deposit to ensure a smooth process. With funds in your wallet, you're ready to buy crypto. Navigate to the Buy Crypto or Trade section within the app. Browse the list of available cryptocurrencies and select the one you want, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Enter the amount you wish to spend, perhaps $50, and the app will show you the equivalent crypto amount. Carefully review all transaction details, including any fees, before confirming your purchase. Security is paramount when dealing with crypto. Always enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, on your Bitget wallet for an extra layer of protection. For larger investments, consider moving your assets to a hardware wallet for offline storage. Remember to regularly review your transaction history and stay informed about market trends. Also, don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.